Hello, my name is Timothy Howes, Deputy Executive Director at ACES. At ACES, we are dedicated to enhancing and transforming lives through education, innovation, and leadership. We're committed to our community and children, parents, and educators of Connecticut, and we are very proud to support NBC Connecticut Kids Connection. We hope you enjoy this digital exclusive.
Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Kids Connection. My name's Gabrielle Lucivero, and I'm a sports reporter for NBC Connecticut. I love all types of sports, but my absolute favorite is ice skating. I've been doing it since I was 4 years old. There are two popular types of skating: figure skating, where athletes glide, jump, and spin to score points, and ice hockey, a sport where two teams put their skills and agility to the test to see who can score more goals. I've been figure skating for as long as I can remember, and professional skaters like Michelle Kwan and Surya Bonale inspired me to practice hard and eventually compete in my own competitions. So whether it's figure skating or hockey, both sports require incredible coordination, balance, and of course, practice. And today we're going to teach you the basics, so let's get onto the ice and start learning. Today, we're learning how to ice skate. But first, we gotta decide what kind of skates we're gonna use. So we're working with two different kinds of skates here. We've got figure skates and hockey skates. Can anybody spot the difference? Okay, yeah, we know the boots look different. One's white, one's black, but the biggest difference is actually in the blades. First, on figure skates, they're longer. They have this toe pick right here, and that lets skaters jump and spin. And then on hockey skates, they're shorter, they're more curved. That lets skaters go faster, change directions quicker, and get to the goal. I picked figure skates today, but both are great options. And while we lace it up, I want to take a chance to just talk about getting on the ice for the first time. The ice is slippery, it's hard, it can be a little bit scary, right? But the important thing to remember is that practice makes perfect. So take a deep breath. We're going to talk a lot about bending your knees, and I think we're ready to get started. So we're finally ready to get onto the ice, but before we do, I do want to make sure we're getting onto the ice safely, and that means being aware of your surroundings. So look left, look right, see if anybody's coming in your direction. When it's safe to go, step on the ice and get going. We're on the ice and we're almost ready to get skating, but the first thing we need to learn is how to fall down. Sounds silly, right? But we're all going to do it. So when you start to lose your balance, act like you're sitting in a chair. We all sit in chairs, right? So we sit, we sit, we sit, and when we fall down, it's just fine. So when we're on the ground, take a deep breath, and we're ready to get back up. And to do that, get onto our side, onto our knees. Gonna put both hands up in the air, step onto one foot, bring our hands down, push off that knee, stand up, and now we're ready to go. Okay, so are you all saying enough, Gabby? It's time to skate. All right, I'm with you. So here's what we're gonna do. First things first, you wanna bend those knees. However bent you think they are, bend them even more. And then you wanna look, are your shoulders over your knees? Try it with me. Do you see your shoulders over your knees? Great. And then the most important thing, make sure you're looking up. What's on the ground? Nothing cool is down there. Keep your eyes straight forward. Now we're ready to start marching. So you pick up 1 foot at a time, just in place. Try it in place. Then try going forward. We march, and then before you know it, you're off and skating. Once you're starting to feel comfortable with that marching and you're ready to start gliding, the best way to do that is you get your feet in a pizza shape. We all like pizza, right? And you're gonna feel like you're pushing with this part of your foot. And it just goes out kind of to the side, to the back, just like this. Well, there you have it. We've got all the basics. What kind of skates you might want to use, how to get on the ice safely, how to fall down, how to get back up, and of course, how to skate. Everything you need to know to skate safely and have a whole lot of fun.
This Kids Connection digital exclusive is brought to you by ACES, transforming lives through education.